Sometimes life feels too big, too many goals, too many problems, and no idea where to start. We think success comes from huge actions, big changes, and perfect plans, but real change often begins with something very small.
Some YouTube channels are getting millions of views with animation that literally looks like this, and the crazy part is, this animation takes less than 5 minutes to create using AI. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create stickman animation like this step by step. Even if you have never animated anything before, you can do it after watching this video. Let's go. So moving forward to my document right here, we have a full organized prompt that you can use as well. I will making a prompt available in our Telegram community. Now, first generate 10 short motivational or educational topic. Now, you can actually edit it and change it to psychological instead of educational if you want. And also, you can change the number of topics you want right here. You can say 100, 1,000, 2,000 if you want. And also change the second of the stigma animation you want to create. Now, list them clearly, topic 1 to 10. Now, you can change from topic 1 to topic any number you want, guys. So, let us copy this whole prompt. Alright, so head back to ChatGPT over here and paste this prompt. Immediately, ChatGPT generates 10 short motivational or educational topics for a 59-second stigma animation in YouTube. Alright guys, so we have the first topic, the 5 minutes rule to stop procrastinating, why small daily habits change your life, and the rest. So I'll go with topic 2, why small daily habits can change your life. Now immediately ChatGPT start generating our scene, our voiceover from the beginning, as you are seeing right here. Our generation has our voiceover script, we have our scene image prompt script, and we have our animation script as well, guys. So this particular one is going to be having 6 scenes, like 6 different scenes entirely. So first of all, when you have gotten all this, go ahead and copy this first prompt, guys. So is the scene 1 image prompt, copy it and head back to Grok. So we're going to be using the Grok for our video, and remember Grok have 20 generation per day. So if you have hit that limit, you can go ahead and use temp for your stuff, guys. So select the video and select the aspect ratio you want. If I do it for YouTube video, like a normal video, you keep 16:9, but for the short sake, keep it to 9:16, and then go ahead. I'll be dropping the image that you can use for your testing in our Telegram community. Animate image and then select the stickman image. You can get your stickman image in our Telegram community. Like I said, once you have gotten that, paste your prompt over here and then smash. Alright, so we have our first scene. Go ahead and upscale it. I'm going to be repeating the same step for scene 2. Download it and keep it in the file. I suggest you keep it in the file so that it is organized and clean for you. Then head back again and copy the scene 2 prompt. Head back to Grok, paste scene 2 prompt over here and smash. Scene 2 ready, go ahead, upscale it and also download it, guys. So after generating all your scenes accordingly to how you want it, fitting all the scene, you proceed with the next step. Next, we're going to be using our Google AI Studio for our text to speech. Let us go back to ChatGPT and you can see the script. This is our voiceover script. So I suggest you copy it on a plate where it doesn't have all the scene numbers on it. Alright, so I asked ChatGPT to edit everything for me and it did. I just have to copy my script now. Come back to Google. Alright guys, so we are using the single speaker mode. Click on single speaker mode over here. Paste your script over here and go ahead. So you can test the voices. Alright, so you can see there are a lot of voices over here. But for this particular tutorial, I'm gonna be using this particular voice for our video, guys. So you can see the model setting, the temperature and everything how you want it to be. After you have done that, just simply click on run. Our script has been generated. Let us preview it ASAP.
Sometimes life feels...
Download our voiceover. This is the voiceover we're using for our video. Head back to CapCut, go to your files. So I arranged my videos and the images, everything in the same place, and I kept it in an order which I would understand. Now I also suggest you do this because it helps you just understand exactly how everything is moved. Picking it at once in CapCut arranges automatically by itself, guys. Now you don't even need to do any much editing on this because it's already there. So go ahead and import your voiceover. That is the one that we just created over here. Import it and add it. Alright, so we are adding our voiceover. Okay, so we have compiled everything. Now if you also have a background sound, you can go ahead and add. Having a background sound give you extra source, and I'm using Sonu AI music generator to create this, guys. All the sound were generated and I'm going to be using this one. Alright, so I like this one personally. I'm going to be downloading this one for the video sake, and it is totally free, no copyright. That is why it is very, very nice. Of course, go over and add again. So bring it down over here just to keep a retention. That is the basic use of this particular one. Delete the part that is not needed and then try. Let us preview this and see how it goes.
Sometimes life.
All right, so we need to add the volume a little bit because it was overshadowed. Let us see what it gives us now.
Sometimes life feels too big.
And yeah, this is it, guys. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video. This is exactly how you can create your viral stickman video using this free AI I just did step by step, and all the links and all the prompts are made available in the Telegram community. See you all next time. Peace out.